Berlin. I'm sorry, I hope you hear me, but I have to wear this mask. So this train is gonna take until Berlin about 26-30 minutes. And yeah, it's pretty fast for the 50 kilometers that separate Berlin from my little city. But I'm so happy so far that I could go out of bed, because like for 2 months or something I was only laying down or sitting, but I couldn't walk. Now let's say I started walking a little bit, although I still have some pain. So I was telling you in the previous videos that the forest, look outside, the forest is going until Berlin, exactly like I was describing you. Sorry, we have another train now. We just interfere with it. Okay, so yeah, this is the forest that is going until Berlin. And I got myself, of course, a cappuccino from the train. It has like a mini bar, and yeah, you can buy like juice, like whatever, peanuts, chocolates, coffee. So see you later. I'm gonna show you the station. I'm gonna go out, and yeah, maybe gonna show you a little bit through Berlin as well. So, hi again. This is one of the central stations and central areas of Berlin. Is called Zoologischer Garden, like zoo, you know. Right there is zoo. It smells awful, smells like animals, but it's nice though, because it smells like nature. As you see, there are a lot of people in the streets. It's like celebration. Actually, is nobody scared about the corona thing and stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna hit. I'm gonna go now to my friends try to walk a little bit if I can, because you know my back problems. And let's see what else can I find to show you. And guys, I used to live here right when I came in Germany. I used to live like 100 meters ahead. It was nice, but I couldn't sleep because it was so noisy, so many cars. But it's cool. It's a cool vibe about Berlin. I'm like a fucking giant ballerina. Hello guys, this is Alexandra, and I love. I
You,
love
Emma,
her
you're
so
the best.
much.
She's the best YouTuber.
Me to Mika too. This is our baby. I'm sorry, I have to leave because I have back pain, excruciating pain. This is Michaela. Well, actually, she's Mika. She's what breed?
Akita Inu is the breed.
She a dancer, and she's 3 years old, almost. Please don't hate me, baby. And the serious gentleman there is her father. This was our evening, and yeah, we enjoy it a lot. I miss my friends, I love my friends, and I thank them for the beautiful evening. And now I gotta reach the station and go back home with the train again. I'm so tired. tired like hell, tired like hell. I can hardly wait to sleep, or at least to lay in bed because my back is killing me. Oh, where is my bed? My nice bed. My comfy bed. I'm a virgin, touched with the very first heart. I'm a virgin, and my heart is what I got. Ciao guys, bye bye.